I want to finally do a version of what I call the ball on the wall experiment. This is a very amazing experiment proving a principle involving 1/2 mass times distance, the principle used in wheels. It shows a kind of efficiency correlated with wheels. You can see that this platform is at level. If we test various places, it's very close to level. And now we can see that when the ball is dropped above this little platform, it isn't very high up right now. And we can see that it actually goes a very far distance horizontally after being dropped a small distance vertically. So that's a sign of extreme efficiency regarding 1/2 mass times distance. The uh, the lifted mass is actually converted directly into horizontal motion, which produces an efficiency. That's pretty amazing and interesting. That moves that much further. Estimate that's probably 4 to 8 times further, which is rather amazing. Uh, so thank you for observing that. It's a potential perpetual motion principle that might be used in machines of various kinds. Thanks.